Yeah, dear students, welcome to the Flip Learning Contents 8 of CAD course. Okay, so in this video, I will teach how to make a desktop monitor using AutoCAD. Okay, and after making the desktop monitor, three-dimensional desktop monitor, we copy the desktop monitor to a layout. Okay, and we print with the A3 sheet size borders and title block. Okay, and the dimensions, give the dimensions and all these things. Okay, you will learn in this video. Okay, let's get started. Starts the AutoCAD, Autodesk AutoCAD 2023, and so here a CAD ISO 3D.TW2, and go to 3D modeling, 3D basics. And here, like, create a layer for making sketches. Okay, so yeah, making sketches. I use a red color for making sketches. Okay, so now we are going to use the loft operator here. Loft operator. Okay, so loft operator. How the loft wall? Okay, so we should create two rectangles. So rectangles, two rectangles. So one rectangle here, okay, one rectangle here, and one rectangle here, and another rectangle here. Okay, so we join these two rectangles using a loft operator. Okay, so gap between two rectangles 50, so 300 and 200, and yeah, so backside rectangle 150 and 250. Okay, so yeah, this is a front view. So use the front view. Okay, turn off the grid and use ortho mode on. Okay, and we create a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. So you can specify the corner 0 to 0, and so big rectangle 300 and 200 rectangle. So this is 300 comma 200. Oops, there is some. So rectangle 0 comma 0. So big side rectangle is 300 comma 200. Okay, and one more rectangle. You can create here or you can create somewhere else. Okay, so backside rectangle. Okay, so 300. Sorry, backside this rectangle is 150 is the height and 250 is the length. The 150, we can start from somewhere else. Okay, so 150, 250 is the length and 150 is the height. I think this one is not correct. 250 comma 150 is the some problem. 250 comma 150. Okay, so now move this rectangle. Move this rectangle to here. Enter. So first move this rectangle. Enter. And move this rectangle to the center point. Okay, turn off the ortho mode. Center point. So yeah, we create this rectangle, and this rectangle. So the size of this big rectangle is 100 and 150, and size of the small rectangle is 150. Okay, so create rectangle again. 150 is the length, comma 100, and one more rectangle. So you can create 100, comma 50. And move this rectangle to here, center point. Okay, you can see the center point. So again, move this rectangle, enter, center point to the center point of the center. Okay, yeah, but all the rectangles are not in a single space. Okay, so we have to rotate this one a bit, rotate, or you can use okay, you can use this one. Yeah, so move the rectangle first. Okay, here, move, turn on the ortho mode on, move rectangle, and this rectangle backside, right? Backside. So with 50 millimeter, right? Turn off this object snap. 50. So why? There is a gap between two rectangles. 50. Okay, 50. And move this rectangle again. And we do later. One. Move this rectangle. Enter. That is also find the center point. 50. Yeah, turn off this one. Otherwise, automatic snaps are coming. And move this rectangle. Turn on this one. 2. Total 50 plus 15, 65. Right. So turn off this one. 65. Okay. And now use loft operator, loft. Right. So connect this rectangle and this rectangle. Enter. So use the color, change the color to this one. Okay. And now those things are moved. Okay. The problem, I cannot see this, right? Loft operator. Miss enter and enter. Loft operator. Select this one. Enter. Loft. Select this one and this one. Okay. So change the color and move this one. Move this, the center point, right? Center point of move the center point. Enter. So 3D center to turn off the auto mode. Okay. So yeah, here. Okay. So that one gives the multi-section loft. So now we have to make this one, right? We have to make this one with 20 and R25, right? So that means 20 plus 45, and yeah, this length is 175, 200, okay, 200. So use the side view. So left or right side view, okay, yeah, left or right side view, and make line somewhere else, okay. Turn on the auto mode. This is side view, okay, side view. So this length is 45 and this length is 200, and use fillet, modify fillet. So select this line and this line, okay. We have to specify the radius first, radius. So what is the radius? 25, right? 25. So this one and this one, 25. And you should join that one, right? Join this one, and this one. Enter. And copy this one, right? We have to make here inside. Inside is like empty. Inside empty, right? One outside rectangle is this one, and inside we have to make empty. So for the inside also we have same sketch, right? So same sketch. Copy that one. Copy this one. Enter. So enter. You can copy long distance. Okay. So now, so is not needed. Rectangle. So rectangle 40 and 20. So rectangle. Okay. So we should use the front view. So front view, rectangle 40, comma 20. And one more rectangle, inside rectangle 10, comma 30, 30, comma 10, 30, comma 10. Yeah. So move this rectangle to here, okay, and move this rectangle to here, okay. And so we use sweep. So select this rectangle, enter. Center is this one, enter, and change this one to, okay, change this one to, okay, and move this rectangle. Sorry, sweep, enter, and move this one, right? Enter. So center point, center to here, okay. So change if you want the color, change the color, okay. If you want to differentiate, so now we should subtract. Select the outside one with the inside one. Subtract inside from the outside. So to create a hole, like hole, right? So now we have to move this one, right? Move this one, enter. So you can see the center, right? Center. If you don't see the center, move this one, enter. So center, right? This center. Yeah, center, right? Center. I'm not seeing the center. Yeah, the center. Very difficult to find that center. Yeah, that one, two. To here. Okay. So now, yeah, we choose top view and make two circles. Yeah. We make the bottom face right here. This one. Pi 150 and pi 180 and the 25 gap. Okay. So yeah, pi 150 make circle with diameter right, radius 90 and one more circle center point, right? I'm not seeing the center. Okay, center point 75. Okay, because the radius is 75, diameter is 150, and yeah, so yeah, we should move the top circle, right? Move the top circle, enter, so turn on the auto. So from the center to what is this one? The gap 25, right? 25, and use loft operator. So this circle and this circle, and change the color to okay. Yeah, move this one. Select objects, move the center to turn off the auto mode, okay, to this center. So turn off the 2D snap modes. Yeah, that center, okay. Okay. So now what is remain is delete front portion, right? So 300 and 200 rectangle make and 280, 180 rectangle make, okay? So rectangle, so front side, front view, right? Front view. Three hundred, comma 200 and 280, 280, comma 180. So move this one. Turn on the this one to center first, okay? Something is wrong. So enter, move move this one to center first, okay, center of this. Then later we have to move this one to, there is some gap between these two, right? So the gap is 8 millimeter, okay, 8. So move this one, enter 8 millimeter backside, okay, turn on the auto mode so that 8, okay. So loft this rectangle, enter, and this rectangle, loft, select these two rectangles, enter, and now move this one. Move this one to the front side, okay. So, but we have to subtract the inner one from outer one, right? Select the inner rectangle, inner, this one, red color, okay. Yeah, that is the final one. So we can see this one. Okay, now after this, okay, we copy this one to layout and print, okay. I will make another video for that one. Thank you.